I will talk about how you can do your registration for free bicycle. Luxembourg, all the transportation is free, buses, trains, trams, everything is free, and even bicycles are also free. Hello friends, welcome to Park Turk Blogger channel. So friends, today in this video I will talk about how you can do your registration for free bicycle. Luxembourg, all the transportation is free, buses, trains, trams, everything is free, and even bicycles are also free. So in this video I will tell you the full procedure where you will register and get your bicycle card, MKaart. If you come to Luxembourg, maybe you see a lot of bicycles, Vel'Ok or Vel'Ok bicycles. That's electric bicycles. You will not get tired after riding bicycles, so it's really good and I really like it. Whenever I want to go to Schiflonge, Wittenberg, anywhere, I use bicycle, and the Vel'Ok bicycles is free of charge for everyone, and everyone can use. You do the registration and after that you can use it anytime, because everywhere, like in 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, you will see the Vel'Ok stations. You will put your MKaart on that bicycle. After the beep, you will unblock the bicycle and go wherever you want to go. So the process is really easy. It's very simple and very relaxing. Like sometimes you don't want to take buses or trains to go to near stop, so you can go with bicycles. And even if you are going for grocery, it's also really helpful. Like you put your luggage there on the basket and you can enjoy riding. The Vel'Ok region is an initiative set up by CIGL in Esch-sur-Alzette. This region is connected with 9 other municipalities like Wittenberg, Differdange, Dudlange, Schiflonge. Anywhere you can go and take bicycle and from one stop and leave it to the other station, like in Schiflonge, the Wittenberg, anywhere you can leave the bicycle. I will also share the list here, you will check it. Registration, we will go to our laptop screen and I will share it with you, like how you will do the registration. You can do the registration online or you can go in person. If you are living in Wittenberg, you go to municipality office address. I will share it with you. Here you will see the addresses, the 9 municipalities addresses where you will go and get your MKaart, and then you are free to ride bicycle. You don't need to buy bicycle. Just get the card from the municipality. For 2 hours, you are free to use, but after 2 hours you have to renew it. You put your bicycle there and then unblock it again, and you will not pay anything. I also made a lot of videos. I explore all the Schiflonge forest with my bicycle, and I discover a lot of new tracks in Schiflonge. You will see the videos link here. You can watch the videos also. So let's do the registration on laptop. So guys, this is the website vel'ok.lu. You will visit that website and then do the registration online. Let's just open it, and here you will see the description, like you can submit the application online. So click on the registration. Let's open it. And here is all the addresses where you can register and get your MKaart. And let's translate it into English. Now you will see, do you already own MKaart? No. And as you are seeing on the screen, the 9 municipality addresses where you can get your municipality MKaart bicycle card free of charge. They will not charge you anything. You just have with you with your bank card. Maybe they will ask for it. The rest is easy. I think you can do it. And guys, here you will see all the addresses, all the 9 municipality addresses where you can get your bicycle card So choose any destination which near to your house. In question answer boxes, you will see all the information like do I have to create an account to be able to use Vel'Ok regional? Yes, registration is free. So all the questions and answer you can read it. It might be useful, but the process is same. And the bicycles are really good. You can go for hiking with that bicycles. They are really strong and electric bicycles. So very comfortable. I really love it. For this bicycle, you don't need to wear any helmet, nothing. Everything is super relaxing. And at the end, you are seeing the addresses where you can get your MKaart. I already shared the list with you, so enjoy the life. So guys, that's it from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Guys, from my behind you can see a very beautiful view of Luxembourg in ship launch, and this is the future. There are so many cars. The one is going up. So guys, this path is only for bicycles. No one can enter here. So guys, once you are with nature, you should exercise like this. This one is very tough. So friends, as you can see, we found a really nice place, and it's this place is just so amazing and so beautiful because it's on the top of the mountain, and I am just loving it.